Hi guys, so we are going to do an unboxing video of Nykaa. This is my first Nykaa haul which I'm going to do on this YouTube video. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyoti Rolla and today I'm going to do an unboxing. Like I feel guilty of sharing my stuff on internet because later people say you have so many stuff, please share with me. It's very difficult. I have a lot of stuff but I really use it for almost everything. If I need to share it, I have a friend whom I can share, but I cannot just do it. Oh, soon, I hope next month, August, first week of the second or third week, I'll do a giveaway with you guys. If you're interested, keep watching my videos. So let's do unboxing of this Nykaa. So I had ordered this around 4 days back and I have a list. Oh, this is a half package. Bill. This is a half anyways. I'll do this half and maybe someday soon I'll put your rest. I ordered for 5,000 rupees and this is what I got for around 2,900 rupees. All the products are here, rest of the products are not here. I didn't open, I didn't saw anything. It's completely like exactly how it comes wrapped in. Let's open. I'm like talking so quick guys, I'm so sorry. So the first one is a lipstick. So this one retailed for, because it's in the sale. So this retail for around something. Okay, this I got for 600 rupees and it retailed for 687 rupees. So I saved around what, 187 rupees? Yeah, somewhat. Anyways, I love this lipstick. If you guys are the lipstick crazy person, so this is how it looks. Beautiful one, and here's the shade. You would be like, why this is like a bit orangey tone? Yes, it's a bit orangey tone. I really wanted something like this which I can wear every day and look nice. So next product, I need to put a bill here to see. So the next product is come guys, it's okay, I'm not going to say anything. Okay, so the next product is two products together. So this is a dual fine makeup setting spray from Miss Clara, which retailed for, it's 489 and I got it for 421 and I saved around 20 rupees something. So this is how it looks. It's a beautiful packaging. Focus. Okay, it won't. Anyway, so this is how it looks. It's a dual finish thingy. This is the first time I'm using it, so it's pretty good. Not that bad. I cannot talk about it because I have some other product on my skin. So the second product is this. I was really excited to try this lipstick. You might see a lot of lipstick, can't help it. So this is the second product. It's a lipstick, color bar, Kiss Power, vegan matte lip color. So it's nice color, I hope. Wow, I love this packaging. It's so beautiful. The shade name is Harshon 004. This is how it looks. Can you guys see? I have two different lipstick colors, so you cannot see I have a similar ones. I like this one. It's like more of a day lipstick kind of stuff. Such a go-to lipstick for sure. Shaded. It retailed for, where are you? It was 487. I didn't pay any different cost in this. Is it I paid 2 rupees more on this? It costed me 3.99. That's what it says. Anyways, Nykaa gave you what they want to give you. This is a HD concealer from, which brand is it? It's a HD concealer, that's all it says. It's a Inside HD concealer, rich tan, because I wanted one contour thing because the one which I'm using from LA Girl is from 2 years old and I wanted to switch. So this is how it look. Oh my god, should I try and show you? Wait, this is like a proper contour color for me. Oh, it will work. It's not similar one, but it can work for me. I hope to do a good review soon about this product. It's 0 6 Rich Tan shade name. God, pricing. Okay, this was 162 rupees ka, and it retailed for 151 rupee ka. I don't understand the price, Nykaa, so can't do anything. This is a Rene makeup removal balm. Guys, I should try this in the end on my hand so that I can understand how it does. So this is the balm which I ordered. I really wanted to try some kind of products, and this is what I got for the cost was 250 or 260 for this. It says 299 on the retail cost. Salon is calling me. This is how the packaging look. Rene. I like this tag of lipstick, if you guys know, but I cannot have this tag of lipstick. I don't know. I like liquid lipstick more. It's more of a creamy product. Oh, it does remove the makeup. It has a beautiful scent. I'm going to try this. I'm going to give you a review, an honest review. You might see in the shop. I got this pure cleaning wipe because I want a makeup wipe all the time with me. I can't help it. Okay, for the retail cost part, it costed 174 rupees to me. There is one more lipstick. It's from Maybelline. The shade number is 674. This is how it look. Let's open this. Opening this kind of stuff is not at all difficult. Not at all difficult, guys. It's so easy. Okay. Wow, I love this lip color. It's more of a brown, and this one more of a brown and more of a dark kind of lipstick, which is good. Which is really good. Let's see what else I have. Like last 2 products are there. I never own anything, like I never own any Kai Beauty ka blush. I have the color corrector orange color ka, which is so weird. It is so watery, and I was like so scared. After that, I have few other products. I just give it to my friends. I'm like, take it. I don't want to take a risk of having more of Kai Beauty. And then I was like, nothing like that. Maybe one product get bad. Doesn't make all the products getting bad. So this is how it looks. This is a blush. The shade name is Dusty Rose. I really like this kind of packaging. It's so sleek. Can you imagine, like I use so many of the blush today. This is like a perfect color for this warm winter kind of a color tone which I'm looking for. This is perfect for me now. I'm going to try this soon. Let's see what else I have. This is Color Bar ka makeup wipe because I require a lot of makeup wipe, which I told you it's very simple to use. I'm going to open and show you, and it retailed for, it's okay. I got this free with all the, maybe with the lipstick or something I ordered. So this is the free product that I like it because we spend so much money. Require free. Let's close this. You have no idea how many mess I have created around me. So I like makeup wipe because it's easier to wipe anything on your makeup thing, and my hand doesn't get dry. Oh, this lipstick was crazy. It's very. Anyways, that's all I have for today's makeup haul. If I get the another products which I have ordered, and someday it would be super exciting to share you the part 2 of this. That's all. Bye guys, take care.